All right, guys. So right now we're going to use this video to be able to go over the classwork for today. And so for today's classwork assignment, for the first question, we're going to just go over how to solve this and approach it. So for the first one, you have cosine of 14 equal to sine 41, tan 12 equal to tan 34, sine 90 equal to cosine 0, cosine 54 equal to sine 42. And so the question just says select all true equations. For this particular problem, for this particular setup, I'm going to use letter C just to see it. So I'm going to type in sine 90 and see what I get. I get 1. Now let's type in cosine of 0. See what I get. I get 1. So if I was to answer this question, I would just select that one as my option because that's the one I checked. Now go through all 4 to see which ones are equal to each other, and that's how you answer that question. All right, for the next question, it says John is flying a kite. He gets tired. I know it says she. That would be edited out. She gets tired, so she stakes the kite to the ground. The kite is on a string that is 40 feet long, and it makes a 36-degree angle with the ground. And so if I'm drawing this picture, I have a person here, right? And I have my string with my kite, right? Don't judge my drawings, right? And so it's asking for what's the height of this, right? So we know the angle measurement, which is 36 degrees. And we know the length of this kite is 40 feet long. So I know this angle measurement is opposite of hypotenuse. So that means I would have to use the sine function to be able to find this measurement. And that's how you answer that particular problem. And now, based upon the answer that you get from that function, just make sure you select the correct answer. All right. All right, moving right along to question number 3. So for question number 3, it's just like the warm-up question. We're giving some information. You're going to be given D, you're going to be given A, and you have to find this missing side length, which will be B, theta, and alpha, right? And so in this picture, this is angle A, this is angle D. So don't be confused by theta and alpha. You still just have to find those angle measurements. We know we find angle measurements by doing the trig inverse functions, and we know to find the hypotenuse, we could just use either cosine of theta or sine of theta in order to find out this measurement right here. Once you do that, plug in your answers, and you will be given the option to go to the next question. And that's how you execute that problem. All right, for question number 4, on some people's assessments or assignments, this would be the last question. On others, it'll be one more question after that. Now, for this question, it says the sun is 75 degrees above the horizon. A tree casts a shadow that is 18 feet long. How tall is the tree? So it's just like that other one where we were talking about the kite. So now this shadow says it's 18 feet long, and this angle is 75 degrees. So now we understand that we're looking for the height here. We don't know it, right? Since we don't know it, that's what we're looking for. So again, you can use the tan function to find this measurement. It'll be because tan is opposite over adjacent. We notice that this is a numerator operation. And so since this is a numerator operation, we will be multiplying here. Multiply, find your answer, make sure you have all your information correct, and that is how you approach this problem. All right, moving right along to the last and final question for the assignment. And so in this question, you'll be giving a value for X and a value for Y. And the question says the ramps in the parking garage need to be steep. The maximum safe incline for a ramp is 8.5 degrees. What is the measurement of the angle of the ramp? And so again, we have to use the trig inverse function in order to find this operation. You use the value of the ratio. We don't have a hypotenuse here, so it will be the tan function that you will be using. Find the measurement of the ratio. and then decide if this ramp is safe. Again, the maximum incline can be 8.5 degrees. So if it's greater than 8.5, then no, it's not safe. If it's 8.5 or less, then it is safe. Go ahead and answer your questions. And again, for this assignment, you may hit submit, see which questions you have wrong, edit your responses. You have till 11:59 p.m. tonight to complete your warm-up, your pair deck, and this assignment. Again, if you have any questions, need any information, please do not hesitate to reach out.